Hey guys, welcome to Pack Now. We've put a short video together for those of you that have entered the duct tape boat race at the Durban Boat Show. All the products can be collected at Pack Now. We'll have all the details up on the page at the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, getting straight into the making of your box. You'll see the items you'll need to make this boat, as well as the cardboard sheet. You'll see that the camera is going through now, which you can collect from Pack Now. It also comes pre-creased into 4 sections. It allows you to easily fold cardboard as you're making your boat. The first step in the process of making your boat is to measure your side panel, which should be roughly 30 centimeters. Okay, and we're going to trim the excess off on either side. So mark your 30 centimeters on your ruler, plus an additional 10 centimeters. And then again further up, just to make sure you get a nice straight line when cutting the excess off. Please remember to keep these excess pieces that you're going to be cutting off, as we'll later use it in the video that will create additional support in the boat on the sides, pushing back against the water pressure. Make your line across the width of the board with a permanent marker, and then get your Stanley knife. Hopefully yours is a little bit sharper than mine is, and then cut off the excess panel on the side. As I'm cutting the panel off, please remember that you have to do this on both sides of the board. I haven't recorded in this video, but you need to do both ends with exactly the same measurements. It makes it much easier to fold on the folding line. Just fold the board over and push on the back side of it. What we're going to do here is cut out, or rather cut a strip down for the panel that you'll see later on in the video that will be folded up, which creates one of the sides of the boat. We're going to do this on both sides, from the crease line down to the end on your width, and then again exactly the same on the other side of the board. There you can see once it's up, that'll be the front of your boat. As we're turning the board around, we're going to cut the other side, bearing in mind that this side already has had the excess trimmed off. Again, remember you're only cutting to the crease line that you'll see on the cardboard sheet. Please watch your fingers when cutting, as this is a double wall board and it requires quite a lot of pressure, and quite easily the blade can just pop out and catch your finger. Once the cuts have been made, fold either side up. You'll see it going up. Again, this will be the back of your boat. Over here, I'm just putting up all the sides, front and back, so you can see. What I also never mentioned at the beginning of the video is that I do use clear tape just to hold everything together and to seal around the edges. I also found this option a little bit cheaper than using duct tape, as it is quite expensive. I'm looking around 50 Rand a roll for, I think it was 25 meters on a roll. So I have used the tape quite excessively throughout the making of this boat, again just to add a little bit more waterproofing. Folding up the rear end of the boat, also using the tape again to just keep it in place, and also seal up the edges and providing a little bit more waterproof. What you don't see in the videos that I do go over the box quite a lot with the clear tape. And over here you're going to see your two excess pieces that we originally cut off. Just fold them on the folding lines that are already there and push them into the center of the boat. You're going to take both flaps and push them back to back. Once both of these flaps are together, it should provide enough support against the water pressure that will be pushing against the sides of the boat. When you put in, you might find a little bit of excess board overlapping, as you see there. We will remove that a little bit later. Again, I'm using some more clear tape just to hold the support beams in place. As I mentioned earlier, we're just going to remove that little excess piece of cardboard there. As you can see now, it has been removed and sitting flush against the side of the boat. Over here, what you haven't seen is that I have added a lot more tape right around the boat and on the inside, just to give it that little bit of extra waterproofing. And now what we're going to do is start adding the layers of duct tape over the clear tape. Take your time when doing this. Obviously, as you lay the duct tape, you want to push down on it firmly to seal it properly. Make sure your lines are straight. And as you apply each layer of duct tape, make sure it goes over the previous one and is sealed nicely. By pushing down on it firmly, you'll create the seal. This is the first layer going right around the boat. I'm trying not to break the lines. Obviously, if you break it, there's more chance of water coming in. So from the top of the side, right around to the other side and over, just to seal the edges of the boat off nicely. This is once I've gone right around on both sides of the box. I haven't done the front and back. That's what it should start looking like, and we will soon do the front and back. Okay, again, going from side to side, trying to do as carefully as I can, making sure the duct tape is overlapping the previous pieces that have been put on, and just rubbing on it firmly to make sure it's sticking and sealing. Be careful when you're cutting the duct tape that you don't cut into your previous layers. Over here now you can see that the front and back has been completed. After the video, what you won't see is that we also put duct tape on the inside of the box just to protect it. Thanks for watching, guys. You can obviously make any style boat that you would like. This is just a basic video on how to make a duct tape cardboard box boat. If you have any questions, please call us on the numbers you see or visit our website. Your cardboard sheets can be picked up at our Pack Now office. Address details will also be found on our website. Thanks very much and have fun.